Once your group is ready to begin tracing your imagery, you'll need to download the file if you weren't the one that had the ownership of the file originally. Once it's downloaded, you can click to open. And the first thing you guys are going to want to do is to actually merge these layers down so that instead of having a bunch of different layers, you only have one. To do this, you can do it either layer one by one or as a whole group of layers. You'll need all the layers that you want to merge visible with these little eyeballs showing. If it's invisible, you won't be allowed to merge the layer. It's just part of the way that GIMP works. To merge a layer, you're going to right-click and choose Merge Down. Right-click, Merge Down. If you'd like to merge all of your visible layers, you can right-click, scroll down to the bottom, and choose Merge Visible Layers. That'll open a new layer window with some options, and you'll need to be careful. You want to choose Expand as necessary and merge within the active group only. Don't choose discard invisible layers, just in case you want to go back and make sure that you have all the layers you need. Then you can click Merge. I have some bubbles and some drawn images that I've started, so let me actually take my bubbles and merge those down. Now that I'm satisfied with my imagery, I'm going to save it and export it again. I'll choose File, Export. Once I'm satisfied with my imagery, I can File and Save As. File, Save As. I'm going to save it still as a GIMP file so that my other partners can work within it. But I'm going to call it my document title from the original name, and then merged.xcf. I'll choose Save, and then I'll go back to my group pop-up card project folder, and I'll choose New, File Upload, and I want to choose the merged file. Once that's uploaded, everybody in your group will be able to open this document and start tackling different portions of the image to trace. So now you can break up into your separate individual people per computer instead of working all on one computer. Go ahead to your own computers, open your Google Drive, and download your merged file.